Sleeping at night is sometimes difficult. Some people find it really hard to sleep when the room is without an air conditioner and other people are used to fans. This video will make you think twice before leaving your fan on and heading to sleep. There are many reasons why you should try to stop leaving your fan on while you're sleeping, because this is what happens to your body when you fall asleep with the fan on. But before we start, be sure to subscribe to Did You Know? And hit the bell so you never miss an upload from us. Also, leave a like right now. It is crazy to know that your body could be greatly affected because of the fan's air. A lot of people love running a fan during their sleep because the fan helps in making them sleep better, and other people love hearing the fan sound because it distracts them from the sound of the night, which some people may find eerie or sinister. Well, okay, we can totally understand that, but the big surprise is fans can cause a lot of health problems that you have no idea about, although you must have experienced a few if you are used to leaving your fan on while sleeping. You must have woken up the next morning feeling some of the symptoms that the fan's air causes. People with allergies and asthmas, this video will reveal to you why you always wake up with an irritating nose only if you have a fan on at night that is directed on your face. One of the things that a fan could cause is called drying effect. This means that people waking up in the morning feeling weary for no reason, and also they will feel thirsty or dehydrated. If someone sleeps with their mouth open, there is a great chance they would feel terrible and that they would feel dehydrated more than others. Moreover, some people could have dry eyes or dry nose. In other words, some people get really red eyes and blocked or also clogged nose. This all reflects on the mood as well. Sometimes people would wake up with a bleeding nose because the fan's dry air could cause nosebleeds to people who already have a history of it. Now, concerning people who have allergies and asthmas, the struggle is real. The symptoms are double. Their noses would be more sensitive to the dry air, and not only that, but also when the fan blows the air. It could contain dust, pollen, or mold, for example, and these things would irritate the nose, and they might cause a difficulty in breathing too, especially if there's an open window. Guess what? These allergens would result in making allergic people sneeze and feel itchiness in their nose, which would, of course, cause headaches later on. This would make you think twice before leaving your fan on. However, there is a sleep advisor who advised directing the fan away from your face, and in that case, it would not cause you health problems. This is advice for people who cannot do without a fan at night, but if you can, it would be way better and safer. The advisor also recommends using an air purifier to help in getting rid of the allergens caused by the fan's blown air. Also, one more important thing is constantly cleaning the fan's blades with a damp cloth to remove the dust, which might be blown into the air when the fan is on. Of course, that topic went viral, and social media users had several controversial debates about it. Many people refused completely to turn off their fans at night, even after they knew what health problems it could cause, because some people got used to it for more than 20 years. Others feel like their fan is something really important and makes them feel safe at night, and others love hearing the fan when it's blowing. So, to end the arguments, the sleep advisors told people not to worry as long as they keep a glass of water next to their bed to keep them hydrated, and as long as they do not have the fan directed to their face while sleeping. That way, finally, people calmed down and the advisors reached a middle ground with them.